Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I recently bought these wood grain foam tiles in Rustic Medium Brown by Greatmats. What I love the most about these tiles are that they are super easy to clean as opposed to having a rug. They are also very easy to assemble and put together and very easy to plan around your room. I also love how these look. They are absolutely beautiful and they are great for reducing impact on your joints. This is before and after. Love it! I would definitely recommend this brand for anybody that is interested in getting floor tiles like these. So with all that's been said, I just want to say thank you to Greatmats.